Get ready to elevate your outdoor adventures with next-level camping gear that combines innovation, practicality, and style. From compact tools that save space to high-performance gadgets that redefine convenience, these essentials are designed for explorers who demand the best. Whether you're brewing the perfect cup of coffee, cooking a gourmet meal, or enjoying unparalleled comfort under the stars, this gear transforms your camping experience. Let's dive into the ultimate collection for making every adventure unforgettable. The spectacular Capsule 3 laser brings Hollywood-grade visuals to your campsite. This portable laser projector boasts stunning 1080p resolution and vibrant colors, creating a cinematic experience under the stars. Whether you're setting up a cozy movie night in your tent or projecting a slideshow of your day's adventures on a rock face, this lightweight device is a must-have for tech-savvy campers. Its built-in speaker and long-lasting battery mean you're fully equipped for hours of entertainment without needing external gear. Compact yet powerful, the Capsule 3 laser redefines portability with its durable design and seamless connectivity options, including Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Setting it up is a breeze. Just pair it with your phone, and you're ready for action. Imagine sharing ghost stories with visual effects or simply unwinding with your favorite show in the wilderness. With the spectacular Capsule 3 laser, your campsite transforms into the ultimate outdoor theater. The Draft Top is the ultimate bottle opener for campers who appreciate a premium drink experience. This clever tool slices the top off your can, transforming it into a smooth-edged cup, perfect for savoring beer, soda, or cocktails. Forget the mess of foam or sharp edges. Draft Top keeps things classy and safe, making it ideal for campfire gatherings or beachside brews. Its compact, ergonomic design means it fits comfortably in your pocket or camping kit, ready to elevate your beverage game wherever adventure takes you. But the innovation doesn't stop at aesthetics. By removing the top, Draft Top enhances the aroma and flavor of your drink, giving it a glass-like experience straight from the can. Whether you're toasting to a successful hike or cooling down after a day in the sun, this gadget turns an ordinary can into an extraordinary moment. Lightweight, durable, and easy to use, Draft Top proves that even small tools can revolutionize your outdoor escapades. THERM-A-REST NeoAir Lite NXT is the ultimate in lightweight comfort for campers who refuse to compromise on a good night's sleep. With its cutting-edge triangular core matrix technology, this sleeping pad offers exceptional warmth-to-weight ratio, keeping you cozy even in chilly conditions. It's ultra-compact, packing down to the size of a water bottle, yet inflates to a plush, supportive pad that cradles you through the night. If comfort, portability, and performance had a love child, this would be it. What truly sets the NeoAir Lite NXT apart is its whisper-quiet material that eliminates the crinkly noise often associated with AirPads. Pair that with its incredible R-value insulation, and you have a reliable partner for year-round camping adventures. Whether you're a backpacker shaving ounces or a weekend warrior looking for luxury under the stars, the NeoAir Lite NXT delivers unrivaled comfort in the backcountry. Is the epitome of reliable outdoor cooking, designed to make your campsite feel like a fully stocked kitchen. With 2 adjustable burners delivering up to 20,000 BTUs of heat, this propane-powered stove ensures quick and even cooking, whether you're flipping pancakes for breakfast or grilling steaks for dinner. Its compact design and durable build make it a perfect companion for everything from weekend getaways to extended camping trips. Plus, the wind-blocking panels ensure your flame stays steady, even on breezy mountain mornings. What sets the Coleman Classic apart is its straightforward setup and unmatched versatility. Thanks to its spacious cooking surface, you can easily accommodate 2 large pans at once, letting you prepare a multi-course meal right in the heart of nature. Cleanup is a breeze with its chrome-plated grate, and its reliable ignition ensures you spend more time enjoying your meal and less fumbling with matches. The UGROS Intelligent Air Pump takes inflating and deflating camping gear to a whole new level of convenience and smarts. This compact yet powerful device comes equipped with intelligent pressure monitoring, allowing you to set the desired PSI and let the pump handle the rest. From air mattresses to pool floats, this versatile gadget makes inflating quick, effortless, and precise. Its rechargeable battery means no more hand pumps or struggling with bulky equipment, just lightweight portability that works on demand. What truly makes the UGROS Intelligent Air Pump a standout is its dual functionality. Not only does it inflate with ease, but it also deflates gear in seconds, saving you valuable time during pack-up. The sleek digital interface and multiple nozzle attachments ensure compatibility with a wide range of gear. Whether you're setting up a luxury campsite or streamlining your backpacking kit, this air pump is a game changer that brings modern efficiency to outdoor adventures. Wolf and Grizzly Grill Edition Kit is a minimalist dream, bringing durability and portability to campfire cooking. This premium grill features a stainless steel, foldable frame paired with an adjustable cooking surface, giving you the flexibility to grill, roast, or boil over an open flame. Designed to pack down to a slim and lightweight profile, this grill is easy to carry and set up, making it perfect for adventures where space and weight are at a premium. The Grill Edition kit doesn't just look sleek, it performs like a champ in rugged environments. Its durable construction withstands high heat and tough conditions, while its modular design allows for easy customization based on your cooking needs. Whether you're searing a steak or roasting veggies, this grill lets you enjoy gourmet meals wherever you roam. With its blend of functionality and style, the Wolf and Grizzly Grill Edition kit redefines what it means to cook outdoors. The KingCamp oversized hammock camping chair combines the relaxation of a hammock with the stability of a chair, creating the ultimate lounging experience for your campsite. Built with a sturdy steel frame and breathable fabric, this oversized chair cradles you in comfort, perfect for chilling by the fire or taking in scenic views. Its ergonomic design offers excellent back support, while the oversized seat provides plenty of room to stretch out and unwind after a day of adventure. What makes the KingCamp hammock chair a standout is its easy setup and thoughtful features. With a built-in cup holder and adjustable footrest, you can truly sit back and relax in style. Despite its robust build, it folds down quickly and compactly, making it convenient to transport and store. Whether you're seeking the ultimate comfort at a music festival or a relaxing perch by the lake, this hammock chair delivers a luxurious lounging experience wherever your journey takes you. The Supermat Compact Foldable Mat is a camping essential that brings convenience and comfort to outdoor adventures. Designed to be ultra lightweight and foldable, this mat easily transforms into a cozy seating area, ground cover, or even a protective layer for your gear. Its durable, water-resistant material ensures it stands up to rough terrain, damp grass, or unexpected rain, making it a reliable companion for camping, picnics, or beach outings. When folded, it's compact enough to slip into your backpack, leaving plenty of room for other essentials. What sets the Supermat apart is its thoughtful design. It unfolds effortlessly and offers a surprisingly generous surface area, perfect for multiple people to gather around. The reinforced stitching and tear-resistant fabric mean it's built to last through countless adventures. Whether you're lounging by a campfire, setting up a quick picnic, or creating a clean spot for your tent gear, the Supermat proves that even the simplest tools can elevate your outdoor experience. The NEDFOS Survival Knife is a rugged, do-it-all tool that's a must-have for serious adventurers. With its razor-sharp blade crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this knife handles everything from cutting rope to preparing food with ease. The ergonomic handle provides a secure grip, ensuring precision and safety even in challenging conditions. But what truly elevates this survival knife is the built-in fire starter, making it a dual-purpose lifesaver in survival scenarios or during a cozy campsite setup. Compact and reliable, the NEDFOS Survival Knife is more than just a blade. It's an essential piece of survival gear. The fire starter easily creates sparks in wet or windy conditions, giving you the confidence to tackle any wilderness challenge. Whether you're bushcrafting, camping, or exploring off the grid, this knife's versatile design ensures you're prepared for whatever nature throws your way. With its durable sheath for safe storage, it's the ultimate tool for outdoor enthusiasts. The FlexTail Max Pump 3 is not just a tiny air pump, it's a game changer for camping convenience. This pocket-sized powerhouse can inflate your air mattress, deflate your gear, and even double as a vacuum sealer for food storage. At just a fraction of the size of traditional pumps, it delivers impressive air pressure and speed, ensuring you're ready to relax in minutes. Whether you're setting up a comfy bed or packing away wet clothes, this versatile gadget saves time and energy, leaving you more moments to enjoy the great outdoors. But the magic doesn't stop there. The Max Pump 3's USB-C rechargeable battery ensures you're never left scrambling for power. Its lightweight build makes it easy to toss into your backpack without a second thought. Plus, it's water-resistant, meaning a little rain won't ruin the fun. From inflating pool floats on a sunny day to sealing food for a backpacking trek, the FlexTail Max Pump 3 proves that small tools can make a big impact. The Aeropress Go coffee maker redefines caffeine convenience for campers and adventurers who refuse to compromise on their morning brew. This compact, all-in-one coffee maker delivers rich, flavorful coffee with minimal effort, perfect for starting your day under the stars. It's designed to be lightweight and travel-friendly, fitting easily into your backpack while including everything you need: brewer, mug, and lid. Whether you're at the summit of a mountain or the comfort of your tent, the Aeropress Go ensures your coffee ritual stays intact. What makes this brewing gadget a game changer is its versatility. It's capable of making espresso-style shots, cold brew, or classic American coffee in just minutes. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to its innovative design, which minimizes waste and mess. Durable and easy to use, the Aeropress Go is ideal for anyone who values quality coffee on the go. For those early mornings when a great cup of coffee makes all the difference, this device proves to be an indispensable part of your camping kit. Thanks for watching, adventurers. If you enjoyed this gear-packed journey, don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our next outdoor adventure. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your fellow campers, and let us know in the comments which gadget you think is the ultimate camping game changer. See you in the next video. Happy camping!